welcome back to the channel. Now, if you are new here, this channel is all about investing, stocks, time management, productivity. Yeah, I'm not even productive, so I don't even know why I'm doing that. But, we'll start somewhere. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash it if you will. Click the like button and turn your post notifications on, baby, so you are notified every single time I post a video. Anyways, today's video is a price prediction for Airbnb that was requested by one of my subscribers, okay? So, first things first, I'm going to tell y'all the price predictions that I have, and then I'm going to tell you why I have them. First things first, I think on IPO day, this stock could possibly hit $80 to $100. I truly believe that, okay? I did talk about in a different video how I thought year over year, Airbnb will go up 20 to 30%. Now, this is just a prediction of mine. I cannot predict the markets. I'm not Jesus, okay? But based on trends, you can sort of say what you think. What did I say again? $80 to $90, right? Okay. And then, why do I think that? Because people have been waiting for this stock, bro. People have been waiting for this stock years and years ago, okay? And right now, it's dropping. I was told by another subscriber that Airbnb has a lot of debt. But here we go. Them IPOing they're going to raise a lot of money that I think will erase that debt. Not fully, or maybe fully, who knows, but it could. Second of all, when I compare Airbnb to the travel and hotel industry, these industries are going to bounce back, okay? It is inevitable that travel is coming back. Might not be today, not tomorrow, but it will, okay? And people travel and need places to stay. Now, here's the thing. A lot of the hotels and companies that people usually go to stay at are going bankrupt because they have a lot of expenses. They need to be cleaned. They need air conditioning. They need lights. All these expenses have to be paid, whether people are traveling or not, whether people are using these hotels or not, okay? It has no physical properties, but it has so many of them. Like, it is a company that owns or has a lot of properties, but doesn't actually own any of them. So, for example, Alibaba, like I said before, it is a huge e-commerce company, but actually owns no stuff of its own. It's people posting their stuff on there. Same thing with Amazon. And as we can see, they're really huge companies and they dominate in their fields. So I believe Airbnb is going to dominate in this field specifically because, number one, people do not want to be paying expensive hotels. People do not want to be paying for this anymore, especially now when people are realizing that they can rent an entire house or rent entire mansions and it's so cheap. Okay, and another thing, Airbnb does not have the same expenses that other things have or other hotels have or other travel companies have. When you think about Expedia and all these other companies that provide these kind of services right now, they are being hit very hard. But I think Airbnb is going to recover faster than a lot of people think. And I think this will push its stock higher when people realize, this Expedia or whatever hotels their services, first of all, they're not even that cute. Okay, you can rent a really nice Airbnb for half the cost. And I think going forward, people are going to want to save money because people's jobs have been affected and stuff like that. So price prediction on IPO day, $80 to $100 moving forward. I think that $45 for the price that is IPOing at, I actually think is very cheap for the kind of innovative idea, for the kind of company that it is. I think it is very cheap, which is why I do advise you get in on it on IPO day and then increase your position as you go when there is pullback, because I honestly think this could be a once in a lifetime opportunity where you get Airbnb for $45. It could easily go to 150, bam, 200, whatever. And I think going forward and in the future, you do want to invest in companies that are innovative. And I think Airbnb is it. Okay, right now, they may not be as profitable. Pandemic.
Coronavirus!
Skirt. Anyways, yeah, that's my price prediction. I think moving forward, we have like 5x, okay? 5x from $45 to whatever 5x is, okay? I don't do math. So whatever 5x is, figure it out, okay? Have a bye. Have a nice day.